Best Shopify wholesale apps that we are going to discuss about in this video. Hey everyone, welcome. We hope you're all doing great. Let's just list 4 of the best wholesale apps that you can install for your Shopify to obviously sell out wholesale. So you can create bundles, create discounts for them, and also create sales in many different ways. So all the different apps that I'm about to showcase for you guys is going to be the main focus for it is wholesale, but obviously there's going to be some differences between them when it comes to the pricing points and also the different features that they add and have as an extra. So to get started, obviously to install any of the following applications, you are going to need to have your Shopify admin open up, and then you want to go to the Shopify App Store and search up the names of the following applications. And we are going to discuss more about them, read about the features that they provide, the pricing points, and so on. So let's just go ahead and go to the Shopify App Store. To do so, you just go to your Shopify admin, click on Apps, and then from Apps, you basically click on All Recommended Apps, and then click on Shopify App Store at the bottom, which is just going to open up the store for us, and we are going to need to look up the following applications. I'm going to showcase 4 of them, and we are going to start with the first one. So the first one being BSS B2B, and you will find it right away, which is BSS B2B and Wholesale Solution. It should be in purple. It's going to be this app right here. So BSS B2B and Wholesale Solution. Now I need to notify you people that within the Shopify App Store, you are going to find a lot of copycats. So make sure you pick the proper one. And to know that, you're going to be able to do so by viewing the ratings that it has and also the developer. So make sure it's the same developer, which is for the BSS B2B and Wholesale Solution. So starting off, we're going to be talking about the rating, which is going to be high, and it's going to always be like that for the rest of the apps because I picked the 4 best apps out there that are going to provide you with wholesale solutions. So offered with B2B wholesale solutions, pricing, registration forms, tax exempt, and also order minimums and more. So these are going to be some of the things that they list out for us. And if you don't know what B2B is, it's going to be business to business. So if you want to do business to business, it's also going to offer that for you. Now here is going to be also a little summary more about the application, but here we have some bullet points of the different features. Wholesale B2B pricing solution with custom pricing, tiered pricing, and also bulk pricing. So you're going to obviously be able to select between them. Wholesale B2B registration form for wholesalers only, which is going to obviously be good to filter out people. B2B wholesale quantity breaks, minimum quantity, minimum order, and order limit. And then you also have more things like tax exempt and VAT exempt and EU taxes, which is going to also be displayed, and other features like manual order, price list, multi-currency, and discount codes. This is going to also run in many different languages, like you can see over here, and also many different integrations as well. Now let's talk about the pricing for BSS B2B. You're going to have a free plan, which is going to be for development stores and partner test stores. So basically what this means is that you're going to have all features, which BSS is going to provide you with if you're using a development store or a test store, meaning you're going to be able to test elements out for BSS without having to commit just yet. So you can just test things out, see how it feels, see if you actually like it or not. And if you do, you can feel free to then upgrade to the plans that are available, which are 3 different ones. Starting with the essential plan, which is $25 a month, and you'll be getting the following. You can pause the video to read more about it. You also have the advanced plan, which is $50, and platinum plan, which is $100 per month. And again, you can see all the different features that you'll be getting out of it. So this is the BSS B2B and wholesale solution. Let's just go ahead and jump into the next one. Okay, so next up we have custom pricing wholesale B2B. This is developed by Bold, so make sure again you select the proper one with a rating of 4.4, and a plenty of reviews out there. So it's a very popular one out there as well. And you can actually see right away we have the different features listed over here, like different prices for different customers, which is something I think is unique to Bold's custom pricing, which is going to allow you to have VIP, member, club, and staff pricing. So you can actually go ahead and divide the different pricing plans for different people in categories or tags. So you can actually see here auto tag customers based on products they buy or how much they spend, meaning you can divide people into different categories and list out prices for such categories. And obviously many more. So different prices for different customers, wholesale, B2B, VIP, member, quantity breaks, and also bulk pricing. So let's just jump into the quick bullet points. Custom pricing levels, which we already talked about. Multiple levels of wholesale, B2B pricing with bulk discounts, and tiered pricing, which is also the same thing where you can create different tiers for different pricing plans for categories. Change customer prices automatically based on spend frequency or manually if you want to make things easier for yourself. Apply different types of discounts, whether it's going to be by fixed amounts or percentage. And we also have detailed pricing options to set custom prices for any product or variant, which makes things a lot easier. Now, when it comes to the pricing plans, we have 3 different ones. No free plan, but you do get a free 14-day free trial for all of them, if you want to obviously test things out before committing. Now you have the 3 different plans: quantity breaks, which is going to be $19.99, standard for $39.99, and also $79.99 for the premium select. Now this is going to be very important here, so you make sure you decide whichever one is going to actually be best here for you. I think the best option for the wholesale is going to be the standard, and you want to if you really need to, you can upgrade to the premium. I don't think the quantity breaks plan is actually going to offer you what you need. So I think you will need to go for the standard plan as the bare minimum. So this is again for the Bold custom pricing wholesale B2B. Let's just go ahead and jump into the next one. So next up, we have unlimited bundles and discounts. This is a very, very popular one by Revi Apps, which is also very popular. And you can actually see the high ratings and how many ratings they have, which is, very popular. So again, it's going to have the same idea of wholesale and stuff and bundles. So you can actually read more about it here. So bundle products together with discounts to boost sales, sell more and better with discounts. Set up your first bundle with a minute, quickly and easy setup, 0 coding. So it's going to be very easy. And we can obviously we can automatic and combinable discounts. So you can actually go ahead and apply many different discounts to your products or bundles automatically. All bundle types, so volumes, BOGO, mix and match builders, so many different bundle types that you can also feel free to create. Live editor and preview, so you're going to be able to also preview it in real time, so you can see how things are running. And they also have live chat support. So if you just go to the pricing points, they do have a free plan, and you can also test things out here for yourself. But then you can also feel free to upgrade for the basic plan and up to the advanced plan, which is $29.99 a month. Now here's the catch. For the free plan, you're going to be getting 1 bundle. So that's the downside of using a free plan. So again, you can just think of it as testing, since they don't offer a free trial for the rest of them. But then if you go to the basic plan, you're going to be getting unlimited bundles. So you can actually, jump from 1 to unlimited, which is, great. And obviously you can also feel free to compare between the other features that they offer. So this is for the unlimited bundles and discounts. Again, this is one of the more popular ones in this list. And I think it's, one of the most popular just in general. And when it comes to the ratings, you can see how high it is. So people actually love this application for wholesales. Lastly, we have B2B Wholesale Hub by Orbit. This is another one that is Very excellent when it comes to creating your bundles and discounts along with them. It does have high reviews, but less actual reviews. It's not that popular, as compared to the previous one, obviously, but it is also a very great option to go with. So easily offer wholesale and B2B pricing. Run B2B alongside B2C in one store. B2C meaning business to consumer instead of business to business. So this is something that they have. Tag customer accounts to offer wholesale pricing to your customer groups. Percentage discounts for different groups of wholesale customers. So you're going to be able to apply those, obviously. Volume discounts, quantity breaks for tiered pricing with higher quantities. So that's also a great option that they have. Custom prices and product visibility give you granular control over pricing, and B2B standards like net terms, quick order forms, and extra fees or free shipping. So when it comes to the actual pricing plans, they have a free plan, but this is going to be for development stores, meaning for testing stores. So you can test things out before you commit to anything. Not to mention that they also provide a 30-day free trial. So in here they have the basic plan, which is starting at $39 a month. And they do give you quite a lot with this plan, but then you can obviously feel free to upgrade for the professional or even premium plan, which is going to be at $99 a month. So with that being said, and this being the last one, and by the way, the list is in no particular order, so you can just feel free to compare yourself. And I just made this little table here for you, so you can actually feel free to compare them all and see which one is going to suit you best. So I'm just going to zoom in here for you. You can feel free to pause the video and read about what they have to offer. So you most likely are going to judge by the actual pricing points, because most of the time it's going to be exactly what they have. Wholesale, there's nothing new about it. So they're going to offer pretty much the same thing. You may want to compare the pricing point and also how it feels for you. So you may need to actually go ahead and test things out with the free trials and so on. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.